Guten Tag, food lovers! Have you ever wondered about the warm, spiced elixir that warms the hearts of Germans during Christmas markets? Today, we're delving into the history of Glühwein, the festive mulled wine that has become synonymous with holiday cheer. So subscribe, grab a mug, settle in, and let's journey through time together. Our story begins centuries ago, in medieval Europe. The concept of mulled wine itself dates back to ancient Rome, where they spiced and heated their wines. Fast forward to Germany in the 15th century, and we find the first whispers of Glühwein. Back then, as the winter chill settled over the European landscape, people sought warmth not just for their bodies, but for their spirits as well. This is where the art of mulled wine, or as it was known in those times, Hippocras, entered the scene. The medieval Germanic regions began infusing their red wines with an array of spices, including cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. The result was a drink that not only took the edge off the cold, but also tantalized the taste buds with a symphony of flavors. During this era, Hippocras was more than a festive drink. It was considered a remedy, a warming elixir believed to stave off the cold and keep ailments at bay. The nobility indulged in this luxurious concoction, turning it into a status symbol among the elite. As the centuries progressed, so did the popularity of spiced wines. The concept of mulled wine became ingrained in European culture, setting the stage for what would later become the beloved Glühwein of German Christmas markets. The tradition of spiced wine during the winter months laid the groundwork for the festive atmosphere we now associate with the holiday season. Now let's fast forward to the 19th century, the heart of the German Christmas market tradition. Picture this: snow-covered streets, twinkling lights, and the aroma of spices in the air. Glühwein becomes a staple at these markets, adding warmth to the festive atmosphere. In the 19th century, Christmas markets began to flourish across Germany, creating a magical setting that captivated locals and visitors alike. It was during this time that the enchanting aroma of spiced wine became synonymous with the holiday season. The first recorded instance of Glühwein at a Christmas market was in 1843 in Strasbourg, France. The aromatic blend of red wine infused with cloves, cinnamon, and other spices made its debut, captivating the senses of market-goers. This trend quickly spread to neighboring German cities, and Glühwein became an integral part of the Christmas market experience. It wasn't just a beverage, it was a tradition, a ritual that brought people together in the spirit of celebration. Imagine the joy of sipping warm Glühwein while strolling through the festive stalls, the scent of roasted chestnuts and holiday treats filling the air. The tradition of enjoying mulled wine during the Christmas season became deeply embedded in German culture. These markets served as a communal gathering place, fostering a sense of togetherness and merriment. Glühwein became not just a drink, but a symbol of the warmth and conviviality that define the holiday season in Germany. Today, the tradition lives on, with Christmas markets across Germany and beyond offering a delightful array of Glühwein varieties. Each market puts its own unique twist on the beloved beverage, creating a tapestry of flavors that reflect the diversity of the regions. The ingredients of Glühwein have evolved over time, transforming this festive beverage into a delightful symphony of flavors that tantalizes the taste buds. While the base remains red wine, the spices have diversified, creating a tapestry of aromas that define Glühwein's unique character. In its early days, Glühwein was a simple blend of red wine, cinnamon, and cloves. However, as the beverage continued to weave itself into the fabric of holiday traditions, so did the creativity of those crafting it. Today, the spice cabinet has expanded, and you might find variations that include orange peel, star anise, cardamom, and even a hint of vanilla. These additions not only enhance the warmth of the drink, but also add layers of complexity to its flavor profile. But the evolution doesn't stop there. Some regional variations have embraced the use of brandy, adding a spirited kick to the traditional recipe. It's a bold twist that elevates the experience, especially during the coldest winter nights. And here's a fascinating tidbit. In certain regions, they've taken a departure from the classic red wine base and opted for white wine. The result? A lighter, fruitier version that still carries the soul-warming essence of Glühwein. The beauty of Glühwein lies in its adaptability. Just as each region puts its unique spin on the traditional recipe, individuals can experiment in their own kitchens, crafting a personalized version that suits their preferences. Fast forward to the present day, and Glühwein has transcended its traditional roots, becoming a global symbol of warmth and celebration. No longer confined to the bustling Christmas markets of Germany, Glühwein has found its way into diverse settings, creating moments of joy and camaraderie around the world. In today's fast-paced world, where the holiday season is celebrated in various cultural contexts, Glühwein has become a versatile companion for winter gatherings. Whether you're cozying up by the fireplace, hosting a festive party, or simply enjoying a quiet evening, a steaming mug of Glühwein adds a touch of seasonal magic to the moment. What makes Glühwein truly special is its ability to bring people together. It's a shared experience, a communal ritual that fosters connection. As friends and family gather, clinking mugs and sharing stories, the warmth of Glühwein extends beyond the physical. It becomes a vessel for creating cherished memories. And the beauty of Glühwein lies in its adaptability to various taste preferences, from traditional recipes passed down through generations to innovative twists crafted by mixologists. Glühwein has evolved into a customizable delight, ensuring there's a perfect mug for every palate. As we revel in the modern-day festivities, it's heartwarming to see Glühwein continuing its role as a festive ambassador. Its presence extends beyond national borders, becoming a cherished part of winter celebrations from Europe to the Americas, Asia, and beyond. So whether you're sipping Glühwein at a Christmas market in Germany, enjoying it with friends in your living room, or raising a toast at a global winter festival, take a moment to appreciate the rich tapestry of tradition and joy woven into every sip. In the modern era, Glühwein stands as a testament to the enduring magic of the holiday season, creating warmth not just in the mug, but in the hearts of people worldwide. Prost to the timeless tradition of Glühwein! And there you have it, food lovers! The rich and aromatic history of Glühwein, a beverage that has stood the test of time and become a symbol of holiday joy. Prost! Here's to the warmth and tradition that Glühwein brings into our lives. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious tales from the past. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen!